Hi everyone, this is Tommy talking to you, and I'm going to show you our product. It is a mobile application, and I'm going to sign in to log in with my personal account as if I were a neighbor that wanted to recycle. I edited the video so that my password doesn't show up on the screen. Loading, and here we are. The first thing you see is a banner with a schedule assigned to my zone. It was automatically assigned to my account when I signed up and had to enter my address. There's also an environmental score, which we use to give prizes from our sponsors like Coca-Cola to our users that recycle the most. And the main button is used to call the waste hauler, and under it is a history of pickups. When you click each of these pickups, you can see status, time in which the hauler confirmed it, and a simple description. Top left corner is a frequently asked questions panel, which is pretty self-explanatory. Is used by users that want to solve their doubts by themselves. And the top right corner, a communications panel, which we use to communicate important issues like schedule changes, holidays, etc. Our main feature is the pickup request button, only button in the screen. You have to specify the number of bags you want to be picked up. Since it is Saturday, I'm not going to be allowed to schedule a pickup because I'm in a zone in which the hauler passes on Mondays, so I'm allowed to schedule pickups on Sundays and also Mondays until 11 a.m. So this is our environmental impact screen. We show indicators like kilograms, water, trees, and even carbon footprint. And this is our education panel, in which we show how to sort materials, what kind of materials are accepted as recyclables, and we also have added a part of composting. Here users can see how to compost if they want to. It condenses a lot of valuable information in one place. And this is my account with my data and my address, which I can request a change if I want to with that button by mail. There's also a button to contact us in the frequently asked questions panel, and we use it to communicate with our users, understand their problems, and by mail we have a pretty detailed analysis of what is going on with them, what is their problems, and not only related to the platform but also to recycling itself. This is our users profile. Now I'm going to log in with a waste hauler profile, and I did the same here with the password. So here we are. The main screen has only one button, which is to start the drive mode. It has the name of the driver and the company to which he is assigned, and we keep it simple. Here is a frequently asked questions panel similar to the user ones, and our second screen is a circuits screen. It shows the bags and the pending pickups that are to be done for each area. Remember that we group pickups by zone so that they don't have to buy to the same place twice. This is the key of our system. It provides the on-demand benefits to a user without sacrificing efficiency from the hauler's perspective. And here is our drive mode. You can choose from the circuits which have bags pending. We shouldn't have anyone because it's Saturday, but it seems like some pickups have been left unpicked from last week. Bottom right corner is a position centering feature. I'm going to turn it off so that I can show you the map in the city in which we're working. It's far away from where I am right now. And this is the city's General Juan Madariaga. The two pickups that have been left unpicked, thankfully, so that I can show you how this works, have 3 and 5 bags, if I don't remember incorrectly. If the driver can use the arrows to correct the number of bags if it doesn't match reality, and according to the input, he can press the red or green button. The user is going to receive the specific status of the pickup, a confirmation, an error message, or a warning in case the number of bags doesn't match. And they can see the address, which is a very important thing since they rely on their view when they didn't collect with the app. If you go back, you can then access the routes with the map in the top right corner, and if you close it, this is all real time, and this is the account information and the logout button. Hope you liked it.